So it's Luxury Fred along with Luxury Gary. We're here at the beautiful, breathtakingly beautiful Ritz-Carlton Half Moon Bay, just south, like very just south of San Francisco, right here on the beautiful Pacific Ocean. So it is Luxury Fred, and what do we see there? We see the 18th hole of a beautiful golf course here in Half Moon Bay, California. And we see just beautiful view of the course and the Pacific Ocean on the right. And where we are is the Ritz-Carlton Half Moon Bay. And it's a beautiful luxury property, the only beachside luxury hotel in Northern California. And I've shot some other video of the views of the ocean and the cliffs and the view from the front of the hotel. This is the other side facing the golf course. And again, we're right here on the 18th hole. And we've got someone hitting right towards us right now. And hopefully they won't hit us. Actually, it's a nice shot. We did find a golf ball here on the little terrace. So take a quick tour of the room. Nice size, nice luxury furniture and stuff like that. Just had a wonderful, wonderful room service breakfast, as you know I like to have in all the luxury hotels I stay in. Very comfortable beds and sheets and pillows and things like that. Big closet space here. We rode up here, so there was a lot of space in the closet for our gear and helmets and jackets and things like that. And nice marble, luxurious bathroom with a big, comfortable tub, as of course I like. Big shower over here, and vanity area here. So again, it's Luxury Fred. We're here just south of San Francisco, and when I decided to ride up here, I didn't realize how just south of San Francisco it is. It's only about 30 minutes from San Francisco, so it was a long ride from LA. But again, we're here at the beautiful Ritz-Carlton Half Moon Bay, and right here on the 18th hole of the golf course, overlooking the ocean with our own little patio and fire pit, and just had a great time. And just can't say enough about the Ritz-Carlton service. The people here, everyone that you encounter, from the management to the people at the restaurant to housekeeping, everyone just really strives to deliver incredible personal service and make sure each guest is happy and gets everything the way that they want it, whether it's the meal or the way the room is made up or where you're staying and things like that.